Baby, it seems like there's a power outage at my place. I'm home alone, and I'm scared.
Stay strong. Why are you alone?
My roommate went out. Can you come over and keep me company? I'm afraid of the dark.
But I'm also afraid of the dark. How about you come over to my place? There's no power outage here.
Sure. Wait for me, okay?
Actually, I'll come to you. I'll give you my key.
Where are you going?
Aren't you afraid of the dark? You can stay at my place and I'll stay at yours.
Are you crazy?
I'm letting you have my room. You're calling me crazy?
The power is back. You don't need to come anymore.
That's great. I'll go play some games then.
Go ahead. We're going to sleep now.
Okay. Wait, what the f?
Stay strong.